Case double X. We're going to sharpen it up right now. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so it follows the original edge, puts the original bevel back in the blade. You buy a nice knife like this Case, you want to keep it all original. They'll stay sharper longer, and you don't void warranties. What's the beauty of it? You can do fillet knives, butcher knives, what's that?
Beauty. 20 or 2 for 30.
Beauty. Beautiful. Shaving sharp. Block sharpener, we will sharpen every blade. Case double X. How's that feel, buddy?
I'll do it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got it.
I do these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Another Case knife. We're going to sharpen a Case knife.
Made in America, that's why.
Made in America. Squeeze them in there tight, draw your blade through. You keep the pressure on them. My rods are made to adjust so they pick up the original edge. You're not tearing any metal off the blade. Yeah, you'll take them back into shaving sharp.
What's that called?
Let me hit that. My sharpeners are 100% American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. I do them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Check that out.
Got one of these? This is it,
And
right?
you ain't even seen the best part. It'll do every serrated knife you own. Roll them in the middle. We found out it does not hurt a serrated knife at all. Take any serrate you got, way sharper than new. Steak, bread, electrics. I've done them all. Anybody else carrying a knife? I'll show you it works. 2 for 30 today, guys. Anyone else carry a knife? Sharpen any kind of blade. We're American made.
Any color you like. Color perfect.
Black?
That'd be fine.
Yeah,
No, I'll take a green one so I can find it in the drawer.
there you go. A little drop of oil too helps. Any kind of oil works. Got your knives, guys? I'll show you it works. 2 for 30. Got you there. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You see your knife there, guys? A buck knife, we're going to sharpen a buck knife. Squeeze them in there tight, draw through. If the bevels are off, you do a quick crisscross, then bring it right back down the middle. These rods are made to readjust your blade, put the original edge back in it. They're quick and simple, anybody can do it. Hit it on leather when you're done. That polishes, gives you a little more again. Anyone else have a knife? I'll show you the difference. I'm doing these sharpeners today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. How's that feel? There you go. Made in America, I'll sharpen any blade.
I've got an old one that I had for 20 years. It had a longer handle on it.
Okay, them work different. Ours got the flex where they don't. We're patented there. You're going to like this a lot more.
You want 20 bucks even?
20 bucks even.
That's 20 bucks.
There you go. Grab any one you like, buddy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Here's a nice too. I'll show you the
I'll
work.
stick out the drawer. I'll be able to find it.
Right.
Made in America. Here we go. There's a good knife for you. Right behind you. All right. Good work knife. Makita. Or what is that called? Milwaukee. Makita. Milwaukee. Draw it through there. These rods are made to flex so they pick up on the original edge, puts the original bevel back in any style blade. Use them on fillet knives, butcher knives, hunting knives, your best kitchen knives. Quick and simple. Finish it off on leather when you're done, that'll take you right in the arm shaving sharp. That feel better? Check it out. There you go. Lot sharpener, we will sharpen every blade.
How much?
I do them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. You all have your knives too. I'll show you it works. Just bring them on up there.
Okay.
Seeing is believing. Here's my card too. You can always order direct. I pay all shipping. Go there, you'll see I got the best reviews around. Thank you. Got your knife, guys? Show you it works. Here your knife. I'll show you what it does then. Anything with teeth I can sharpen. Serrated knives go right in the middle. You get one side in, the back of the tooth on the way out. Sharpens it through the entire tooth, top to bottom. All your smooth blade knives, from butcher knives to your best hunting knives, squeeze them in there tight, draw through. The rods are made to flex so they stay with the original edge, takes out the guesswork, puts the original bevel back in the blade. That's important when you have good knives, you want to keep it all original. You take them as sharp as can be. Anybody else carrying a knife? I'll show you it works, guys. Thank you. Good dull one here, been worked on quite a few years. Draw it through. Quick and simple. I'm doing them 20 each, 2 for 30. How's that feel?
Pretty good. Really good. 2 for 30, split it.
2 for 30, guys.
Yeah, I'll split it. Alright, later.
60.
Pick a color, huh?
Pick a color, pick a color. That's the hard part.
Yeah.
You got a 10 on you, Billy Joe?
Red.
There you go. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
Anyone else carry a knife? Got your knife? I'll show you how it works. You got a knife with you? I'll show you how it'll work. American made, I'll sharpen any kind of blade. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys. Oh, yeah. Buck knife. I'm going to sharpen a buck knife. Draw it through. Our rods are made to flex so they squeeze back on the original edge, puts the original bevel back in the blade. You're not tearing no steel out of the knife, yet you'll get razor sharp real quick.
Yeah, but how was it dull at first?
No. It follows the edge that you got. You will not lose what's already on the knife. How's that feel? See, my rods are made to flex so they follow your edges. When you draw through, you can only get sharper because it's following your edge. And then if you got serrations, we found out, roll them in the middle. It makes it vibrate, chatters up and down into the teeth. I have not found a serrated knife that won't work on.
Yeah, but show me a dull.
You got your knife on you? That's the best I do. I mean, mine's still sharp.
Right. I just want
I'm kidding.
$20.
$2 for 30.
You want one too? Any ones you like. That look good? They come in lots of colors, any color you like. Yep, 20 each, 2 for 30. Thank you, appreciate you guys.
You want this
A
green?
little oil on the rods always helps too.
What?
Oil the rods, any kind of oil.
Motor oil?
Well, kitchen oil, peanut oil, cooking oil, WD-40, 2 for 30. Grab any two you want. You want 2 or 1? They're only 20. All right. Yeah, that one or any one you want, any color you like. All right. Thank you. Appreciate you. You guys got your knives? Well, show you how to work. I'll sharpen any blade. That's it. American made. No timer. Ooh, boy, you wore that back. That's wore back hard. Old Gerber.
But it used to be serrated.
Yeah, he ground it back pretty good. I could have saved your serrated, but I'm going to do a figure X in these, and it'll get you back into the 22.
That knife's got a deer, wild hogs, you name it.
My sharpeners are made in America. They're made to put the original edge back in any knife. See the difference? There you go. I got these today, 20 each, 2 for 30. Thank you, guys. Here are your knife, guys. We'll show you the difference. Got a pocket knife? Bring it on up. Made in America. Don't get scared now.